In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live preview to products in Shopify. This is a great way to show customers exactly what they're selecting, especially if your product has multiple colors, patterns, or styles. By the end, when someone clicks on a different variant, the main product image will update automatically to match their choice. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. From here, choose a product that has variants you want to show with a live preview. A good example would be something like a t-shirt that comes in several colors, or a mug with different designs. Once you've opened that product, you'll be taken to the product editor. Scroll down the page until you reach the variants section. This is where each version of your product, like different sizes or colors, is listed. Click on one of these variants to open the variant editor. Inside the variant editor, look for a square with a plus sign in the middle. This is where you can assign specific media to that variant. Click on the square and a pop-up window will appear. From here, you can choose the image or other media you want to use for that particular variant. Ideally, pick a clear photo that accurately represents that variant, such as the exact color or design. When you've finished selecting the media, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. After that, remember to click Save at the top of the page near the search bar so your changes are stored. You can now repeat this process for the other variants you want to customize. Open each variant, click the plus sign in the media area, choose the appropriate image or media, and then save your changes. Taking a bit of extra time here to match each variant with the correct picture will really improve the shopping experience for your customers. Once you've assigned media to all the variants you need, it's time to preview how this looks in your store. Go back to the left-hand panel in the admin dashboard and find Online Store. Hover over it and you'll see a small eye icon appear on the right side. Click that eye icon to open a preview of your online store. In the store preview, navigate to the product you just updated and click on it to open the product page. On this page, look for the swatches or the variant options, such as color selections. Click through the different swatches or variant options and watch the main product image. You should see the picture change automatically to match whichever variant you've selected. This confirms that your live preview is working correctly. And that's all you need to do to add a live preview to your Shopify product variants.